in Roppongi now. Eating burritos. And they're too late us. How are you today? Late? Because they were sitting here. 50?
Oh my god, it's
Is it what? Looking at light novels in Sipaya. I kind of want to buy a light novel to practice my Japanese a bit more and to read something fun. Friday and we are in Akihabara. Just came from a lunch with our friend in Roppongi. Yeah, we wanted to go to the Final Fantasy Cafe today, Eorzea. I'm not sure how you say that, but yeah. So we came to Akihabara since it's here. We're walking somewhere that's kind of out of the, I guess, otaku zone, I guess. But we'll probably go there and look at some stores. Amy scaring the dogs. Yeah. So we'll try to find something fun to do. We bought like 4 books earlier as well.
It's so hot.
Yeah. I decided to get like 1 fantasy book and 1 just like normal, I guess you could say. Because I watched a lot of like fantasy anime and I want to be able to understand those words. And I haven't put that much effort into that so far, so I thought this would be a good way. Oh yeah. What about you? Oh, I think one of mine is just a shopping story and the other one is probably something similar or at least a romance. Yeah. But yeah. Akihabara! Oh, that's so cute! Who's fighter you? That's probably Spider-Man. Spider-Man. The one with the dick. Actually, yeah, that's me. In 5 years. Yeah, the front one with the long hair. No, they were in the middle. Oh my god, we love it now. This one is so it's probably really good. Oh my god, vad är salt. Det är som lite glass. When I was younger, they used to have like this holes in the bottom and the top, and I used to always like pattern up to light to try like to see inside, and basically I could see at least the corner to know what Pokemon was inside, and then I would buy that ball. I guess this is heaven for Sailor Moon lovers. They have a lot of Sailor Moon like these. Cute. Right down mini Mickey Mouse. For some reason they have like this sitting room with a light. Like, what's the point? There's no point. Asina! And also online. And also Cyril Low. The dress is not fitter. Not at all. Sailor Moon became fitter. This Sailor Moon is so cute, it's super cute. And the small word things as well. Oh my god. Oh, look at Jeff Skellington. So now it's a pretty face. And Jack. It's so cute. I can't have this as These are so cute, but they're so inconvenient when you're taking pictures of videos.
人々が理性を失いボートと化すバールシンドローム。私たちの歌声にはバールを沈める力。
Macross heroines. Yeah, so they have like Cyril Gnome, Lankari, Sarah Gnome. Oh, Sarah Gnome. Okay, I haven't watched this one and this one. Mirin, Tinas, Sharon, Apple, and Lin Min Mei. I don't like Lin Min Mei, but she's cute. So cute. She's so expensive. So cute. Oh my god. There's one big there. He's 88,000. That's so expensive. Mr. Akami is so cute. He's so cute. And awesome. Kiki Pop. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at all those yukatas and kimonos and so cute. This is so cute. Look at this setups. These setups are so big and cute and pretty. Oh my god, you can buy Kiki Pop here. It's 24,025. They're so cute. Just look at them. Look at that face. Och de stan. It's just pretty lips. Concealed one. from looking at the Aston store, and then it happened that they also had some Vox and Dolphin Dream. So we looked at that one as well. Sadly, like you couldn't like take any pictures or anything in the box, and they were really careful of not letting you do that.
But we weren't supposed to do it in ASON either, but we didn't notice. And
oh yeah, I didn't notice until the end, and yeah, like she said, no one said anything. So yeah, you get that, yeah, we at least had some footage of that. And like, I think I got like a 3-second footage of like the Dolphin Dream. He just came from behind, it's like, sorry, no photos. It's like, oh. Well, I should have known. I know I knew, kind of. I was trying to be like sneaky, like not entering that part of the store and just taking over it, but even that was like a big no-no. But now we're going to go to the Final Fantasy Cafe. So we're on our way there now. Okay. So it's like in Castle, like it's like collaboration with Castle or something. Yeah. So you have to take the elevator up to 2nd floor. Okay. Bless you, so comfortable. Varför ser det så här snidigt faktiskt i någon kaffe?
時間始まりかしか。
あー、わかりました。だから先生のextra klukkutíma. Så vi inte färdigt. Okay. じゃあ、vad gör du alltså?はい、
これ入りますか？
はい。No, but we have to have a certain time when we come. So we got like these 2 tickets. We just have to get there a bit before that to get in. So know that if you're gonna go, come here.
こんな感じ。この子自慢の双子ちゃん。タコちゃん。3、2、小学校練習させて。足をまっすぐにしてこると。髪の毛掴んで大人セクシー。3、2。
Yeah, the bathroom in Basel is so nice. I mean, they have hair water, hair milk, skin lotion, cleansing oil, Q-tips, cotton. We even have like this to make your breath better. So funny, like cotton set. Oh, those oil papers. I'm gonna try this. I don't think my skin is really oily, but maybe it works a bit on the sweat. Does it work? I think it's taking something. It's getting some. I don't know if you can see it, but it's getting a bit darker at least. Maybe it's just stealing all of your makeup. Good from lottery ticket. I guess. Is that chia? Or what is it? Popcorn cake. Ah, creme brulee. Ah, honey to. Do they have like? It's like they even have a lot of. No, not like this is all alcohol. But these blue ones are not alcohol. Okay. Blue ones are not alcohol. Ah, Siva. Oh, they have Siva without alcohol. Maybe I'll try that one. What else do they have? Oh, they also have like the kiwi stuff without alcohol. over there.
Milwaukee.
Pine. Why did I say I think I was feeling too much about Kina. Oh, see, they have a lot of non-alcoholic, other blue boys are non-alcoholic. That's really nice. That's not that common. Oh, that's cute. It'll be difficult to choose. Oh, this is also cute. Or like, interesting. I mean, there's... Det är också bra. Jag tror med tejpen på det där igen. Nu blir det något. Iran honey toast. These three. Kiva, Mark. Vad heter det? Mutta varmaan oikua. Rimpeli. These are the posters that I got. I'm so glad I got to see that. This is my favorite. This is amazing. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is really... Put this stamp out. That it choose from a few designs. It's really nice. The 3 designs. Huh. We spent a lot of money, I guess. No, I have the 3,000. That's not that bad. I really like this store. I usually go there because they have some Final Fantasy stuff as well. And yeah, from Square Enix. So I really like this store. Yeah. I recently bought Dragon Quest 8 for DS. I wanted to play it on PlayStation. I lost my copy, so I couldn't play it anymore. Oh, it was so frustrating. Okay, here is someone I used to think was like the cutest thing ever. He was my favorite. Until Final Fantasy 8, I was fighting him. They have a fight him. Okay, how about okay, I was fighting him and he's a pain in the ass and I hate him. Haita mig. Say hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know better than to talk to me when I'm looking at Final Fantasy stuff. See how cute! Oh, it's actually so cute! Oh, just look at this. Oh my god, this one is so cute. This perfect and the other ones. Oh my god, they're so adorable. Here's the main place, Elsa and Anna, of course, but they're really cute though.
I
I got the mushroom and mozzarella burger. It's so big. Why are you doing that? Okay, let me show you yours. This is with pineapple and blue cheese. And yeah, I'm not showing you.
So everybody is at Brooklyn Parlor.
Oh, you take a video?
Yeah. And this is there. And this is our view. Oh wait, it's on downtime right now. Why do you look so happy about it? And then we're like, these are our new friends. And everyone is just like, what the fuck is going on? Like,
now since we had a great time eating, we're gonna have a great time eating ice cream.
it's not really ice.
No, it's just frozen yogurt, but still it's great. They don't have any candy today really, so I was forced to be healthy with my frozen yogurt. It's a sad day. They broke my heart. Yeah, I don't like that candy. I want a chocolate. Oh my god, we're like almost getting it on the screen. This screen is excitement.
Here, let me see.
Okay, come on in,
Cool.
you can do it.
And let me try something.
Yeah, I believe in you. I believe in you, Diane.
I'll go, man.
Ah.
Wait, delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. 助けてください。あ、それでありがとうございます。
あと左のアームでお尻を押せばいけると思うんで。
左。あ、これをもうちょっとこっちやって、これを。あ、オッケー。ありがとうございます。
こうよかった。Oh, a little bit, wait, like, because it's got stuck over here.
Wait, so a little bit more further back, and
Yeah.
then the same way, right? Okay.
Oh my god, we're so getting there. Oh my god.
この辺？
そうだよね。これでいけそう。あー、間違えた。Hey guys! Okay, finally home after a really good day with my cute chocobo. I have been eyeing him for a while, and then today, like when we were in Akihabara, I was like looking around the stores a bit, like to see if I would find him, because sometimes they do have like things from UFO catchers and gacha and stuff like that, and I was just like, I didn't find him, so it's like, maybe I'll just have to give up on him or something. But Diane, she's seriously so good at this. We got him for like 900 yen. Tried another one and that failed, but got chocobo. And oh my god, that restaurant. I think I'll put the video in here, my friend sent it to me, but there was this couple behind us. They were just like, seriously, the whole time they were just making out. Seriously, I've never seen that before. Like even in Iceland, I've never seen that. I don't think anyone would even do that in Iceland. Like just sit there in a restaurant where people are eating and making out the whole time. Like it was a Japanese couple. Like, I was just like, and then like even the people on the next table were just like, what the fuck is going on? And we started talking because of that. It was just like, what? Oh my god, it was so funny. But oh my god, today was great. It's like 超盛り上がった。楽しかった。Yeah. So thank you for watching our kind of like otaku day in Akihabara. So please, if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, tell them how fun Akihabara is and how cute Chocobo is, because he's the cutest. It's like fat Chocobo also. Like this is fat Chocobo. He's the cutest. I love Chocobo. And I'm so tired. It's so humid today, so I feel disgusting. Seriously feel so disgusting. So but I'm gonna take Noah out for a walk now because he deserves that. And then go to sleep. So see you guys next time and enjoy yourselves until then. Bye!